Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use coins on GoodNovel. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, I'm going to open my GoodNovel application. Make sure that you are logged in. So if you want to purchase any of the coins, here what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile icon right here. And then here you can see my wallet. So if you want to top up, you can simply tap on top up option right here. And like that, you can select how many coins you want to buy. And if you simply tap on those options, now it will ask you to purchase it, which you can do via your app store. So make sure that you have linked your card in your Apple ID. So after purchasing coin, it can be used for various things like supporting your author and unlocking much more chapters in GoodNovel. So for example, I'm going to show you guys here. I'm going to open a random novel, for example, this one, and I'm going to get to my limit. And in here, you can see I have finished the first chapter. And in here, you can see a support icon right here. So if you want to support this particular author, you can simply tap on it. And then here you can see you can send a lot of gifts to them. Or if you want to send gem, you can tap on the gem option right here. And you can also send gem to them, which will require you coins. So for this particular reason, you will also be requiring coins in your GoodNovel. But if I get to the limit of this chapter, just like this, here you can see I have got to the limit and now I will need to unlock further more chapters, right? So if I simply tap on unlock, and if you have enough coins, this chapter will simply be unlocked. So if I simply tap on unlock just like this, here you can see since I don't have enough coins, it is asking me to buy coins. So you can simply tap on any of the option that you want to buy. For example, we have 1,000, 100 up to 5,000 coins that you can buy. So if you simply tap on those options, now your payment will be required just like this. And the payment method will be same through the App Store. So all you need to do is double click on your power on button and the purchase will be done. So make sure that you have linked your card with your Apple ID. So just like this, coins will be used in your GoodNovel account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.